Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the len function in Python. So we have seen the len function previously inside of this course, right? We have been using the len function quite a lot. But in this video, we will discuss about the len function in a little bit more detail, okay? The len function returns the number of items in an object, okay? When the object is a string, the len function returns the number of characters in the string, okay? So let's declare a list. So fruits, apple, banana, cherry, okay? And what we can do, we can just print the len of fruits, okay? All right, this is something which we have been doing, running the program, and we are getting 3 here, okay? All right, also what we can do something like this as well. Print len of hello, okay? So it will return us the number of characters in hello, which is 5. All right, now what happens under the hood? So all of the objects inside of our Python program, basically, we haven't discussed about the object-oriented programming yet, but when we will be discussing about that, it will be a little bit more clear. But right now, just remember all of the objects in our Python program has an inbuilt method, which is this one. So I will just do something like this. So it will be this. So fruits dot double underscore len double underscore. So this is the function, okay? This is the function. So whenever we are calling the len function, that particular function calls this particular function that is associated with that particular object. So if I now print this one, run the program, as you can see, we are still getting 3, okay? So this is an inbuilt function for this particular list. So all of the iterable objects inside of the Python basically has this inbuilt method. The strings has that as well. So if I just do print and do something like hello and then dot double underscore len double underscore, and yep. So if I just run the program, we are getting the same result once again. So these double underscore methods has a special name, which is the magic method. So whenever we will be discussing about the object-oriented programming, the classes and the methods inside of the classes, it will make a little bit more sense, okay? So all of the iterable objects has this particular len method associated with them. And whenever we are calling the len function, this len function internally checks for this len method and it calls that particular len method. We can override this len method as well. If we are declaring a class, and there we can override this len method as well. So when we will be basically calling this len function, that len function will check for this len method, which is overwritten, and will get us another different result depending on this method which we will be implementing, okay? Awesome. So this is the len function in Python.